Hey, let me ask you something. When was the last time you scrolled through your feed and wondered if anyone really you? I get it. These days, it feels like your worth is measured in followers, likes, and comments. But here's the truth. God doesn't care about any of that. He's not counting your likes. He's looking at your heart. Maybe you felt invisible before, even when you're surrounded by people online. But to God, you are never, ever invisible. He sees you. He sees the little things, when you're kind, when you lift someone up, when you try, even if you don't always get it right. Those moments matter so much more than you think. You don't have to be perfect to come to Him. You just have to be real, honest, willing to show up even on the rough days. Because you are His, a child of God, loved, valued, redeemed. So, let's stop chasing approval from the world and start walking in the purpose God has for us. Your true worth, it's not on your profile, it's in His eyes. Thanks for sticking with me all the way to the end. Let's keep walking this path together, with faith.